Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different from other videos because in today's video my dad's gonna be turning his old guitar into a new one just by painting it. So if you're interested, keep watching. But before we begin the video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Leche Kulza and I come up with God-related videos like original songs, cover songs, testimonies, Q&A, sermons, and many more videos that will help you with your spiritual journey. And I also come up with vlogs, so if that's something you need, consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's start the video.
बहुत ही सुंदर तो ये डिजाइन कर रहे हैं अभी।
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, kindly hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be there when I come up with another video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.